Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din and welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, I'm cooking the base gravy, which is the most important item you can cook for your BRI curries. This method of cooking is completely different from what you used to. I've been using this method for over 40 years and my mother before me as well, when we used to be in the restaurant trade. I'm no longer in the restaurant trade, that's why I'm able to share you with all my secrets. So we need to cook all the pre-cooked items as well. If you haven't seen any of my videos, you must watch my series and watch the first 7 episodes, which will show you how to cook all the pre-cooked items. This is most important, because if you haven't got all the ingredients ready like this, we can't cook the curries. Curries will cook very quickly. So once you've got all your ingredients ready, I'm going to show you how to cook like bendi bhaji here, which is delicious. Bombay potato. We have also mushroom bhaji, sagalu. This is only but a few of the curries I'm going to show you. My series will cover the whole of a restaurant menu. So let's not waste any more time and let's get cooking. Right, I'm about to do my Balti. It's different from everyone else.
Right.
A lot of people use Balti paste nowadays.
Okay.
But as you can see, I have my own sauce which I make, which you'll find on the channel. So we're going to first put a bit of oil once it's dried.
And just while I'm asking, what's the difference in the paste and stuff like that?
Well, I think it's more like other companies want to make money, don't they?
Yeah.
That's all it is. So you can put a bit of garlic, some Balti onions, as you can see. So put that in, some green peppers, a bit of fresh coriander, some mixed spice. You have to be careful when you're doing Balti, because it can be very hot. And we put some methi in there, and a little pinch of salt. Ooh, let's put some was it chicken Balti?
Yes, I believe it was a chicken ball.
Right, chicken Balti, here's go. Gravy. And my special Balti sauce.
Oh wow. I mean, there's a phrase they use, it's all about the gravy, isn't it?
Yep, that's right, it's all about the gravy.
And it really makes sense when you're looking at these type of dishes being put together.
Yeah. Right, we're ready to eat soon. You can get a table ready now.
Yeah. Can sit on here.
Okay. We need to get the rice.
The rice.
Remember, it's hot.
Yes.
Need a bowl. And we'll put a little bit of tomato sauce in now. Ready? Okay. Put it on the table tomorrow.
Yeah, the rice is right.
We need some. We need some dessert spoons for the curries.
Dessert.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was after just throwing this out. Which way do you want to lay it out? Or
Just put it on the table. Have you got a spoon? Oh, I've got a spoon here. Open the lid. Okay, empty it out in there.
yeah, hold it.
Go place. Right, that's ready. Just another minute and we're ready to go.
Oh yes, I absolutely do. I love it. This type of cuisine wouldn't be my forte, but it's like the complex flavors and ingredients is wonderful for this cuisine. But I love cooking. See me just like coming out from here.
There you go. That's ready. This looks good. Take the caramelization, as they say, off the side. You can maybe take a little bit of oil off that. Turn it off. You're ready to serve. Take whatever oil, excess oil there is in it, like so. And then